Hello friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to talk about hotkeys and specifically assigning some hotkeys to do interior and exterior walls. That was a question on Facebook. Let's get right into this. So hotkeys are controlled through the menu. You go to Tools up here and Toolbars and Hotkeys, Customize Hotkeys. If I type in exterior walls or exterior wall, you'll find straight wall tools, straight exterior wall. Right now is assigned the hotkey of Shift Q. Let's change this to interior. Straight wall tools, straight interior wall has no hotkey. So right now, interior exterior wall defaults is Control Shift Q, and maybe I don't need that one to be. I don't use this one at all. In fact, I don't use hotkeys at all, but maybe I should. Let's change this to. Let's do this one as Control Shift Q. So I'm going to click down here. I've selected the tool, the command that I want, the straight interior wall. And let's do Control Shift Q. Now, I've selected the command. Down in the Assign button down here, I've entered Control Shift Q on my keyboard, and that popped up in the space here. And when I click Assign, it's going to say, hey, Control Shift Q conflicts with another hotkey for exterior interior wall defaults, and it would remove that current binding of that hotkey and assign it to the new tool. So yes, I'm going to check that, and now Control Shift Q is interior walls, Shift Q is exterior walls. Let's try that. Shift Q, I'm going to draw an exterior wall. Control Shift Q, I'm going to draw an interior wall. Quick one today. Hope that helps. If you like this information, click like and subscribe down there. Have a great week. Oh, happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Take care.